Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So this is my last vlog in Pakistan. I absolutely love these lemon. We have a lemon tree in the front of the house, so I thought I'd share some pictures from there. Anyway, I was out shopping, shoe shopping with my cousin Abid and her kids and my kids, and we stopped to enjoy some Malta juice, Kinnuka juice with I think we ended up having Kinnu and grapefruit mixed together, but honestly it was so nice and refreshing. I would highly recommend that you do, whenever you're in Pakistan, that you do enjoy them. And here are the kids just sitting by the roadside enjoying our freshly squeezed orange juice. Next, I am sharing our experience in Glitz and Glam. It's a beauty parlour in Wabda Town, and here we had our hair done. You can see my daughter got a haircut. I also got hair treatment done. They put some protein masks on, dyed my hair as well and gave me a fresh haircut. And this is my daughter's final look, which I absolutely loved. Hindsight, we wish we cut it a little bit shorter, but anyway, here I am at my other cousin's house. I have lots of cousins. And my daughter, she said, I don't know who my family is anymore. That was her joke. Because she'd always thought that there were only a few people in the family, and now she was exposed to so many. So that was I think I'll take that as a positive remark from her. And I was saying to her that actually you haven't even met half the family. You've not even met 70% of them. So already she's a kind of lost count. But she thoroughly enjoyed herself. It was great exposure for my kids. Here we are in Tehzeeb bakery. It just opened up, and so they are famous for their pizza. I didn't buy the pizza there. I don't know. I think I got overwhelmed with so many people, and I was recording and I got a bit confused. I think we were in a very confused state at that time. I mean, this was just, I think, a day or two before I was about to fly out. But what we did try out is the salad bar. The salad bar was really nice. It was really, really nice. Really enjoyed it. So Pakistani salads hit differently. They're just so different. You can't compare. They're just different. Anyway, we also ordered, I think we ordered some sort of shake, I can't remember now, which was really nice. They serve coffee as well. But anyway, here we are heading back home. अच्छा, अभी आप देखेंगे, अभी गाड़ी में से ना नोट निकल रहे थे. ये देखो, सारे पत्ते नोटों के पत्ते हैं on the road. I think it was a barat. Got lots and lots of gifts. Packing. So I actually don't have that much packing to do, as I didn't do too much shopping, just enough. So a few hours before my flight, my nun took me to have some golgappe. It's in the corner of Rehmat Chowk in Wabda Town. Please do visit, it's great. Then I also nipped into the shop and got some Mithai from Buntu Khan for myself and for Uncle Faiz as well. मैंने दुकान में पूछा था कि टिन में है कोई मिठाई. उन्होंने कहा अब बाहर जा रही है. मैंने कहा हाँ. तो कहते हैं कि ये हम टिन बना देंगे, सील कर देंगे, इसमें आपने ये चीज़ें अवॉइड करनी है तो वो कर दें. They packed up a really nice box for me. I would highly recommend to eat the laddu and the patisa. They are so delicious, so delicious. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Please don't forget to like and comment below and share with your friends. Jazakallah.